Hello everyone, my name is Rada Putra Pertama. I am a student of Criminal Islamic Law at Islamic State University of Raden Fatah, Palembang. In this presentation, I would like to share a comprehensive explanation of one of Banyuwangi's most remarkable cultural tradition, known as the Seblang traditions. Through this material, I hope to provide a clear and meaningful overview of the historical backgrounds, ritual process, and the spiritual values upheld by the Osing community.
Layarku mendung-dung. Ya, Kang Ayem, Kang Ayem, ojo kesusu, Dot. Harapan umjak umbul.
In the minds of rapid moderations, Banyuwangi remains one of the regions that steadfastly preserve its ancestral cultural heritage among the tradition that continues to flourish. Seblang stands as one of the most iconic of spiritually significant ritual of the Osing people, the indigenous community of Banyuwangi. More than just a performance, Seblang is a sacred ceremony passed down through generations. Seblang is annual ritual held as a firm village purification, protecting from misfortune and gratitude to God, and the center for safety and bountiful harvest in mystical and spiritual and atmosphere makes Seblang not only an artistic expression, but also an identity marker for the Osing community. Today, the Seblang ritual is preserved in two areas in Glagah District, Olesari Village and Bakungan Village. Although they share the same traditional roots, the two versions have destination difference in history, execution, and the characteristic of their dancer. Historical background. Seblang Olesari is believed to have originated during the Blambang Kingdom era. After the kingdom fell, the ritual stopped for many years until it was revived in 1930. The first dancer after its revival was Semi, who later became known as the first female Gandrung dancer. She passed away in 1973, but her legacy continues to shape the tradition. The meaning of Seblang among the Osing people. The Seblang community believe the word Seblang comes from Sebele Ilang, meaning the most fortunate disciples. Thus, the ritual function as a to cleanse the village from potential calamity and restore spiritual harmony. In the 1960s, the ritual was once discontinued due to frequented mass prayers among spectators. However, after it was stopped, various events were interpreted as signs of misfortune. The community eventually requested the ritual to be resistant, and since then it has continued without interruption. Selection of the dancer. The Seblang Olesari dancer is always a younger, selected not through ordinary means but through supernatural guidance received by the Kambu. This selection method reflects the dancer's role as a medium between the community and the ancestral spirit who protect the village. Seblang ritual begins with the opening chants, Gending Seblang Lukinto, sung by the sinden. These chants function as a spiritual call inviting the actors to distance and unity with the dancers. During the stage, the dancer gradually enters a trance. Her movement becomes less controlled. Her expression changes and her continuous is believed to align with the presence of ancestors. A key sign that the dancer has fully entered the trance is the falling of the tampa, a woven tray she holds. According to tradition, this moment marks the approval and conscious, allowing the ritual to proceed.
Seblang laki ento sekan jate pinjagono seblang laki ento sekan sebelah langit
Sebelang Bakungan. Unlike Sebelang Olesari, Sebelang Bakungan is performed by an elderly woman who has reached menopause. This choice is believed to ensure stronger spiritual stability and deeper connection to ancestral traditions. Costume and the correction Omprong information. The Sebelang Bakungan dancer was bright-colored garments such as a green and yellow symbolizing fertility, peace, and protecting. The most distinctive feature is the omprong, a headpiece not made of coconut leaf but of white mori cloth, often associated with purity and ancestral symbolism. The mori cloth represents spiritual openness and a respectful connecting to the ancestor. Its presence itches the scared atmosphere of the ritual. During of the ritual, Sebelang Olesari performed for 7 continuous days after Eid al-Fitri, but Sebelang Bakungan is performed for a full night after Eid al-Adha. These differences reflect distinct spiritual function. They both traditions aim to protect the village from misfortune. Key difference between Sebelang Olesari and Sebelang Bakungan is first duration. Olesari 7 days after Eid al-Fitri and Bakungan 1 night after Eid al-Adha. Second, dancer. Olesari younger, but Bakungan an elderly woman who has reached menopause. Third, headpiece. Olesari omprong made of coconut leaf, but Bakungan omprong made of white mori cloth. Fourth, atmosphere. Olesari lovely attract but large comfort every day, but Bakungan more so mystical and intimate. This concludes my comprehensive explanation of the Sebelang tradition in Banyuwangi, covering its origins, ritual, difference, and spiritual significance. If there are any mistakes, I'm sincerely apologize and welcome any correction. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.